In this demo, I will show you how you can complement this Incorta dashboard with Incorta workflow apps, where an agent can not only assign rent to a new property that is added, but also to chat with rental data. It is pretty easy for an agent using this Incorta dashboard to ask simple question like, okay, what is average rent in San Francisco? So click on this and it will show you average monthly rent and also average rent per square feet. Now, if you have a new property that you added and you want to assign a rent to that property, you need to remove the human bias. You should be able to use machine learning algorithm or AI to assign that rent to that property. So the way that will work is you can develop a very small app using Incorta workflow and embed that inside this Incorta dashboard. Let's say you get a new property in New York and you want to assign a rent to that particular property. And let's say this property has 3-bedroom, it's a condo, and it is maybe 10 years old. And let's say square feet is 1200 square feet. All you need to do is select all these parameters. Parking is important, select that as well, and click on predict rent. So here you get that rent for that property and you can assign this to that property. Behind this, there is all rental data that has been trained on this, and it can easily find rent for this new property based on all the data that you have about rent. And if you want to play with it and increase or decrease size, it will show you how much rent will go up or go down, right? Now, this is one use case for Incorta workflow. Other use cases, let's say you want to chat with your data. Now, of course, for asking simple question like show me what is the rent for a particular property in a particular city for condo apartment, that you can find out just by doing few clicks in Incorta dashboard and getting those answers. For example, if I want to ask a question like, in Chicago, what is the rent for 1-bedroom property, right? So select 1 bedroom, select Chicago and select condo and then filter on this. And you have all the information here, right? But there are sometimes you need to ask questions that you cannot answer in this dashboard, especially if you want to compare different properties in different cities. You can build a workflow app and embed that in Incorta so that agent can chat with rental data. Let's say agent wants to chat, find out compare SF with New York. So you can just say compare NY with SF. It knows the context. This is all about rental data. So you don't have to specify like compare rental data. It's already aware of all those contexts. So here's the comparison, right? So it's comparing rent, it's comparing property size, bedroom and bathroom, building area and so on, and amenities and summary. It's giving you a quick summary about what this is.